My name is Matthew Whaley. I'm an overnight shift leader at store 649. I work in the Carl's Jr. restaurant. The first I found out about Love's is because this location was opening. And they actually told me that when they hired me, I was the first person that they hired to be in the restaurant for this location. So that was kind of cool. I started out as a backline cook. I worked day shift for about 2 years, the 6 to 2:30 shift, doing that. And I volunteered for the overnight shift. Our shift does everything from the front to the back of the store. We do lobby, we do cashiering, we do line, we do back line, we do dishes, everything that there's in the restaurant. When we had a group of senior citizens come in at 2 in the morning, they were all dressed up for Halloween and they just left the bar and they had to have been 70 or 80 years old. All came in wanting food, telling us we should go out with them next time. On our overnight shift, we have a bus that stops between 4 and 5. But when we get a big bus, I try to prep everything, prep chicken, prep buns, have everything going.
What else can we get for you?
They love the Western bacons. That's probably the most popular burger we make. And they love the breakfast burgers during breakfast. We sell a lot of those. We sell a lot of burritos. People love the burritos. I just want to say Love's has been great to me. My overnight team, my favorite part is that we just get along, we get everything done, we got a nice system down. It's been a pretty good experience since I've been here. It's been a pretty good 7 years. And I plan on being here hopefully another 7 years.